In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring background audio into your presentation in a clean, reliable way. First, open Google Slides in your browser. If you already have a presentation you want to use, feel free to open it. If you're starting from scratch, choose blank presentation to create a fresh deck. It's a good idea to give your file a clear name so you can find it easily later. Now look to the top left of the screen and click Insert. This menu is where you add most types of content to a slide, including images, video, and the music we're about to add. From that Insert menu, choose Audio. Google Slides plays audio that's stored in your Google Drive, so make sure your music file is already uploaded to Drive. Common formats like MP3 and WAV work well, and keeping the file name simple helps it show up in search. When the Insert Audio window opens, you can search in Drive for the track you want. You'll see tabs like My Drive and Shared with Me. If you know the file name, type it into the search bar and press Enter. If the file isn't appearing, double check that it's in your Drive and that you've allowed yourself access on the correct Google account. If you plan to present on another device or share the deck, ensure the audio file's sharing is set so viewers can access it, otherwise the music won't play for them. If it's faster for you, you can also paste the music URL from Google Drive, copy the link to the audio file in Drive, and paste it into the search field in the Insert Audio window to pull it up immediately. Make sure that link has the proper viewing permissions. Typically, anyone with the link can view is a safe choice for presentations you'll share. Note that general web URLs from outside Drive usually aren't supported here, so stick to a Drive link for consistent results. Once you've found your audio, select it and confirm. Slides will insert an audio icon on your current slide. You can click and drag that icon to a less obtrusive spot like a corner. During presentation mode, clicking the icon will play the music. If you need the audio to start automatically or adjust volume, you can fine-tune playback later in the slide settings. That's it. You went to Google Slides, opened a blank presentation, used Insert, chose Audio, searched in Drive, or pasted the Drive URL to your track. Save your presentation, test the sound, and you're ready to present with music.